The nature of a workflow form is such that if you look at a form instance, or if you export the form instance data, a subject covered in a different tutorial video, you will only see the data as it was the last time the instance was submitted. What you don't get to see is the data submitted at previous stages of the workflow. PerfectForms does include a data history feature that enables you to see the data in an instance for each time the instance has been submitted. This history can also be exported into XML or CSV format. It's very simple to manage too. Just select the form and the instance that you want to look at. Click the Data History button. The left-hand column displays all of the input fields in the form, including the page name and group if applicable. The top row displays the dates that the instance was submitted, the stage that the form was submitted from, and, if the user is authenticated within the system, the name of the user submitting the form. The data in the instance for each time it has been submitted is shown in the table. Simply click the OK button to close the data history window. To export the data history, click on the Migrate button and follow the wizard to choose which format. That's how you can view and export the data history for an individual form instance. This feature can be very useful for creating an audit log for a form instance and also useful for troubleshooting too.